mac and cheese cauliflower, and we need salt, pepper, garlic, oil, and the cream cheese, cauliflower, and cheese.
Okay, so we are going to wash the cauliflower first and we'll come back soon.
Okay, so we are going to cut the broccoli. I mean cauliflower. So use your knife.
One hand hold one side, another hand hold the other, and slowly cut it down, okay? Put your finger far away from where you need to cut. Okay, can you cut this smaller? Sophie? This way? So small, huh? Cut it as small as you can. Are you okay? Be careful. Okay, now we're okay with this. Yeah, good. Okay, put on the side. And you can bring another one.
又好。妈妈，比你切的还要小心。
Fiona, do you like cooking? Sophie, do you need help? Do you need help?
你看我一直切。
Okay, can you cut them to smaller pieces? Okay. Hold the knife.
你看我切成好小一个猴子 knife， 一个猴子 pan。
Okay.
妈，你看我其实是用刀来看你方向。妈，有时候我不拿住，因为已经太小块了，因为切到手就掰了。
Okay. Since our water is already boiled, I will put this cauliflower into the bowl to boil. Okay. Let's need maybe 3 minutes to boil, and we'll take it out.
妈妈，我还在切呢。妈妈切多点就行，切多点。 那你看，自己切了，你看我切之前甩了甩。
Good. Yeah. If you don't want too much water, you need a little bit shaking of the water out.
那你看我把它弄成一个派哦。妈妈，我差点切成一个大肚子了。妈妈，从前我说妈，从前我。
You can definitely helping them while they're cutting, especially for the younger kids. For my 5 years Fiona, she's 5 with herself.
个了。
Oh, yeah, we're almost done.
再小一点。
Okay, Sophie, we're all done here. Can you wash your hands? Okay.
Okay.
So we already boiled the cauliflower, and now we will drain to
我可以帮你。
dry.
And I squeeze the oil.
And Fiona can spray the oil. Good. Good job. A little bit further. Fiona, pour it a little bit.
那我想过一次。我想过一次。
Okay. You can squeeze it. Let Sophie try it.
妈妈小心点儿。妈妈，
Okay, I think it's good now. Thank you.
妈妈摇晃了。
Okay, I can give you a brush.
Thank you.
Spray it, Mama.
你看我到处都有啊有。我想做一次，那我把旁边也弄了，要不要把旁边也弄？
Yes, the bottom and the side.
我想做一次。
Okay? Okay. Good, good. Thank you. Thank you. Okay? Okay, now we'll put the cauliflower in. See, we drain to a little bit drier. Put it in. You can cut it even smaller if you want.
我太多了。
Yeah, we have a little bit. The cauliflower is too big. We're good now, okay? You can save it for later. Now we just need to wait for the cream to be stirred. After it's yes, okay. Can put a little bit salt. Okay, that's it. Salt is good. Put the pepper. Okay. Can you do it? Can you do it? Okay, anyhow.
妈妈都洒出去了你。
Okay, I can see it. Your both hands up there. Okay, good. Shake. Okay, now we put a little bit garlic powder. Okay, that's good. Okay, let me check the cream.
哇，好好闻呐！好好闻。可以然后把鸡放进去。 我先吃那 cheese 吧。那个 cheddar I'll get the one. 妈妈，我用它甩了甩。
Okay, so we simmer the cream and the soft cream. Having cream and soft cream are mixed together. Now we'll pour it over the cauliflower. Now is our last step before we put it into the oven. What is it?
Mac and cheese.
Now we'll put the cheese now.
Dad, what time we put the mac and cheese in?
Soon after we put the cheese on. Okay, do you want to shake it? You want a lot of cheese or a little bit cheese?
Little bit, not too sweet. Not too 摇一摇。我可以还挺好的。有点甜。
Now we'll put it into the oven and waiting for our cauliflower mac and cheese to be ready. Okay?
我们先去玩吧。
烫不烫？ Tastes good, Sophie? Is it hot? No?